Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make Sri Lankan dark roasted curry powder. This unique curry powder has a host of beautiful herbs and spices, dry roasted to deep dark brown perfection, possibly the most fragrant thing you'll ever smell. We are going to dry roast each ingredient separately. This way, each spice gets its own time to deepen its individual flavour. Patience is the key, and the end result is absolutely worth it. Before I begin, please take a second to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks. In a heavy bottom pan on a medium to high heat, add in the coriander seeds. Gently move them around the pan until they turn a fantastic dark brown before removing them to a plate or bowl big enough to hold all of your roast spices. Put the pan back on the heat and add the fennel seeds. These will add a warm, nutty, licorice taste to the final mix. Next we're going to add the cumin seeds. These give a fantastic earthy flavour when roasted, so keep mixing them around until they brown nicely. Next add the fenugreek seeds. These will add a tangy, bitter taste which will complement the other spices well. In with the white rice. This may take a little longer to brown, but will add a rich and nutty flavour. Take your time, you don't want to burn any of these spices. What's better than the smell of coconut? Toasted coconut? That's what. This browns quite quickly, releasing that fantastic aroma, so keep stirring this one at all time. Time to add a bit of heat to the mix, so add in the dried Kashmiri chilies. Give them a little stir until they're blackened. Add the curry leaves. The smell of fresh curry leaves is second to none, but dried will do if you cannot get fresh. We can add a few spices in together now, so in with a star anise, cloves, green cardamom pods, and with the most important spices, the Ceylon cinnamon. Break it into a few pieces to help it toast evenly. Only a couple spices left now, so give the black mustard seeds a quick warm through to release their flavours and turn off the heat. Grate a little fresh nutmeg into a warm pan and give it a little stir. This only needs a gentle warm through, so once you can smell the lovely nutmeg aroma, add it to the other spices. Now it's time to carefully put the mixture into a blender or a spice grinder and grind until a fine powder. You may need to do this in a couple of batches depending on the size of your blender. And there you have it. Aromatic Sri Lankan dark roasted curry powder, perfect for my Sri Lankan chicken curry video coming later this week. Store in an airtight container until needed. This blend will store for a few months. Please remember to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.